Hey, I tested 5 different AI tools to make money, and to be honest, most of them were a complete waste of time. Everywhere you look, people are talking about AI like it's some kind of shortcut, something that can automate your work, generate income, and completely change how you run a business. But here's the reality. Most of these so-called AI tools to make money sound impressive until you actually try them. So I decided to test it myself. No hype, no shortcuts, just real tasks, using some of the best AI tools for business that people keep recommending. I picked 5 different tools, gave them the same kind of work, and used them the way a normal person would. Not as a demo, but as something I could actually rely on. And within minutes, something felt off. Some of these tools looked incredibly powerful. Clean dashboards, fast responses, impressive features. Everything about them made you feel like they should work. But when it came to producing something useful, something you could actually use to make money with AI, they completely fell apart. The first tool gave me results instantly, no delay, no friction. But the moment I looked at the output, it felt generic, like something you'd read once and immediately forget. It looked right, but it had no real value. The second tool was even more frustrating. It promised better performance, smarter automation, stronger results. But in reality, it was slow, limited, and constantly felt like it needed more effort than it saved. Instead of helping, it slowed everything down. And this is exactly where most people give up. Not because AI tools for business don't work, but because the tools they choose don't deliver what they expect. The third tool was decent. Not amazing, but usable. It worked sometimes, but not consistently. And when you're trying to build something real, whether it's content, automation, or an online business, inconsistency becomes The fourth tool was the cheapest option, and honestly, it showed. The output was messy, unstructured, and needed so much fixing that it completely defeated the purpose of using AI automation tools in the first place. At this point, I started questioning everything. Maybe these best AI tools are just overhyped. Maybe people are exaggerating what AI can actually do. And that's where most people stop. But I didn't. Because there was still one tool left. And I didn't expect much from it. But the moment I used it, something felt different. The output wasn't just fast. It was clear, structured, and actually usable. For the first time, I didn't feel like I had to rewrite everything. It gave me something I could actually build on. And that's when it clicked. The difference wasn't just the tool, it was how it handled the task. Instead of trying to do everything, it focused on doing one thing properly. And that made all the difference. Because most tools try to impress you with features, but the ones that actually work focus on results. And that's where most people get it wrong. They keep jumping from one tool to another, hoping the next one will finally help them make money with AI tools. When in reality, the tool is only part of the equation. What actually matters is how you use it. AI is not a shortcut. It's a multiplier. If you give it clarity, direction, and purpose, it can speed up your work and amplify your results. But if you expect it to think for you, it will always disappoint you. And that's why most people fail with AI tools for productivity. Not because the tools don't work, but because they expect the tools to do the work for them. Out of the 5 tools I tested, only one actually helped me create something useful. Not perfect, but usable. And in this space, that's more than enough. Because once you have something usable, you can improve it, refine it, and turn it into something valuable. That's where the real advantage is. Not in finding the perfect tool, but in finding the one that actually helps you move forward. And once you understand that, everything changes. Because now you're not chasing tools anymore. you're using them with intention. And that's the difference between wasting time and actually getting results. If you want to see how this tool can actually be used step by step to create something valuable, watch the next video. You'll also find all the tools and resources listed on our website at mercatumdigital.com. And if you want more content like this on AI tools, online business tools, and real strategies that work, subscribe to @Mercatum Digital, because we're just getting started.